We're at a DLBA house. That's the Detroit Land Bank house. I'm going to do a walkthrough to evaluate what needs to be done and if it's a good house, if it's worth the investment, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So this is the house. As we look at the outside, we can see that some work was done. We can see this brand new window right here. These windows are new. But around here, we still got some windows that need to be. We got some tuck pointing. It's not really a big deal for like right now, but I know the Detroit Land Bank will want you to get that taken care of. It looked like they were trying to cut corners. You see how this is falling off, because all of that will have to be replaced. All that facial, the rotten wood and stuff, you're gonna need of course a new roof. Definitely need a new roof. So this garage, it's not, I don't know if it's mandatory for you to keep this up or not. I'm sure you can do that later. It's the house that's gonna matter. Definitely gonna need, you got some missing brick, but that's not too bad. So let's go around. Oh, good. Cause let me tell you, usually this stuff be missing. Like, so you lucked up. And with these windows down here, girl, yes, okay. Cause they usually don't have them. So. Alright, we're gonna need a window up there. Doors. The porch is not so bad. Hello.
How you doing?
Good.
Going in?
I'm gonna go around first, and then we're gonna go. Can you sign?
Oh, okay.
Let me. Yep, I got to sign too. Did you sign in already? Mm-hmm. Okay, let me sign here. You hold that. Thank you. All right. So on this side, this isn't going to be too much of a big deal. You're going to need new windows over here though. Those, because they won't let you become compliant unless all your windows are in. So, and the good thing is this is not historical district, so you can do whatever you want. Oh girl, you done lucked up. You got meters and everything. Listen, what a blessing, cause don't go in there. That thing leaning and don't look right. We'll go through, but cause this yeah, no. It look this needs to come down. But it could be like a second phase type of deal. It's not really necessary right now, but it will eventually need to come down. All right. And I don't know if this was a window or what. No, it's under the porch. So you might as well just get this bricked up. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna go in. We're gonna go in. Let me turn. We'll have to. You got a flashlight?
Yeah, on my phone.
Yeah, I don't need that. Okay, we're going in. She ain't paying attention. Alright, y'all. Oh! Okay. This is not bad. Public notice. What? Okay, we know that. There's a bathroom up here. Okay. This is not bad. You got your little foyer. Oh, I like this. Okay. You got a lot. Oh, they was just doing stuff. They was just painting. This is okay. That better have been the wind.
Lord Jesus.
I love this arch though.
I love it.
Okay, so the floors.
I would take all that up. I really.
Okay, good. Okay, great. Because what? Ooh, and they put it. So hopefully these were damaged to the point where they had to do this. So it's not necessary. Now, here's the thing. Are you trying to get this compliant, or you want to?
I want it compliant
or
compliant frame, and then continue to work.
Okay, that's what
no rush. At least have one room in the bathroom. So
no, you have to have. Okay, in order to be compliant, you have to have one room, one bathroom, and the kitchen. They have to be operable.
Okay.
You have yes.
6 to 9 months.
Okay. Yes. What were they doing? Okay. Well, that's why they didn't pass. That's why they didn't pass. What? Look at what? Okay. Anyway, so what's happening here?
I thought this was the kitchen. I think it's the kitchen.
Honey, where did the bathroom go?
It was a bathroom.
This was a bathroom. Wait a sec. Let's look at this. This was a bathroom that led into maybe the kitchen. Why did they? They took down walls and they didn't do it properly. So I'm gonna have to look into that. It's not load bearing because this looks like the load bearing wall. So that might be a good thing. I feel like they're hiding stuff behind these right here.
They are. And I look behind it, like right here up top. It's probably like the wood, they just threw it up to make a wall.
Father God. All right.
But it's not fire. Right?
It's what?
Not fire then.
Not that I could see, no.
Okay.
Well, it's not that I can see, but this floor has to come up because what is happening? There's something happening right in here. So this is gonna have to be gutted. Now I'm sorry, this has to be done before you can be compliant at all. So because they changed the layout, this is where the sink was. That's where the bathroom was. Why? What was happening? Why take that out? So we're going to have to put your bathroom back.
Okay. I was wondering, I thought it was a bathroom because I saw that and the tile looked bathroom-ish. I'm happy that it is a bathroom because it's the one upstairs too.
Okay. And this looks like this was removed for some reason. All right, we're gonna have to come up with a whole floor plan layout for this.
Okay, so this is the kitchen area.
This is the kitchen. That's a window.
Okay.
That's that place that was like that. That's where that window was. And the thing is, they got a brand new window in there. Yeah. So I don't. Okay. Anyway, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. We'll do the basement last. So let's go upstairs.
Okay.
This would be so cute. And the window be in there. We're gonna have to work on these stairs because they're coming apart. Yeah. And it looks like they were trying to remove them. So you be careful.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
This is nice. They just was doing stuff, Lord. Okay, so here's the bathroom we saw downstairs. The door don't have a... Okay.
That whole door.
Okay. Okay, so we got a toilet in here that has to be replaced. New walls, window. Huh? Oh, it's a mirror.
I saw that too. I said there must have been some old stuff.
Okay.
Will I be able to get a tub instead of this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, you'll be able to get a tub and a... What is this? Oh, that is cement. They just... Okay. Okay, anyway. All right, all this gonna have to be re-gutted.
Okay.
Look at this floor. And it looked like they was trying to use the toilet.
Yeah. Or somebody was squatting.
Oh, that's a very high probability. All right, here's the first bedroom. You can see outside. That's where yeah. So it does not, well, so far it doesn't look like the roof was leaking, which is really good. It looks like this damage is because there is no window. And because this is lead paint.
Okay.
But it looked like they scraped it. This right here on the floor, it just looked like it needs a missing piece. So I don't know, are you going to choose to get carpet or you want wood floors?
Want carpet.
Okay. So this could, I will have to have an expert come in. I'm not an expert on floors. I do the other stuff. So I have an expert come in, and this should not even be that much at all. In the closet, you need doors for that. This is nice and spacious. Okay, come on. Why is it black? Oh, it's dark. Dark blue. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate you. Okay, a lot of holes in the walls.
For no reason.
You know, just, maybe they thought like one of them rage rooms. One of them rage rooms.
That's what they did.
This is nice. Okay.
Floor's good.
Floor is good in here. Might just need to be refinished.
Okay.
This will have to be scraped up.
Okay.
I don't know if this is going to be able to be saved or not. So you might have a different, it depends.
Okay.
It has to be scraped and we have to look at it. So
And see how it looks.
yes, so I want you to spider hoop.
Right there.
Oh, you fine. So this is a smaller room. Oh, what I was trying to say is, so be prepared. You might have to have different flooring there,
Okay.
just in case.
I really don't like this one.
You don't like this flooring?
No, I would rather have like, I don't know, something else.
Like vinyl plank flooring,
Vinyl.
like the thick boys?
Yeah, like
Okay.
the marble.
Okay, well,
I know that's a little.
not really, because you can get those in the marble effect. So
Okay.
we'll look into it as we go along. But this is nice. Oh my God, look at this window. It's a nice window. I don't know if people can see everything because holes in the wall, holes in the wall. Okay, so
And this is
that
back door.
that goes outside, and I can tell,
Yeah.
so nobody can come in.
Would I be able to like to build that porch back up top?
Yeah.
On top, okay. Because I would like.
Because looking at the wood that is down there, you got a little magic closet. It looks like, be careful with these things. Jesus. Because this is, girl. Because see, it looks like, okay, so it will have to be reinforced because there's only, these are 2x4s and then, no. So this will have to be rebuilt.
All up top.
Because first of all, this is, they're 2x4s. That cannot carry a load.
A person. Yeah.
Yes. So we will have to fix that. Plus, do you see that this one is standing upright and that one's laying down?
Oh my.
So you can tell they was just trying to get it done. If you want, your kitchen can go this way.
I would like for it to just be bathroom here.
Yep.
So we can have a guest bathroom, but that looks so small to be a bathroom. Like,
Well,
is this a toilet?
so here's the thing. I feel like the bathroom was from here, like here to here, because something is not making sense.
Oh, walk in here.
So, yes, because there probably was a wall here. It was. There was a wall here. So you came in the bathroom this way. You came in the kitchen this way.
Okay.
And there was probably like a door here for the bathrooms. I don't know. It's weird.
Yeah, that
But
is
we'll
weird.
figure it out. All right, let's go to the dreaded basement.
Okay.
Father.
Dun, dun, dun.
Here we go. Jesus be a fence. Yeah, they sturdy. All right, this last step is missing, so we're gonna have to hop down.
My knees good.
Be careful. We're gonna have
I'm
to.
scared of heights. Hold on.
You
Scared.
what?
I'm hooked up.
Brand new paneling, and that's a big panel. What do you need all that for?
What? What's wrong with it?
It's nothing. It's a lot. It's huge for no reason. You don't even. This house ain't even big enough for that. But
it's already there though.
yeah, that's
something
I mean, at all. Nope. And it has plumbing here.
Okay, so plumbing is already.
Yeah. So this is not as creepy as basements usually are.
And this can become a finished basement.
Yeah. It was.
The ceiling is crazy.
It was at some point a finished basement.
So there's no what's that thing?
You need asbestos. I have to have this checked.
With bugs.
Huh?
Oh, I thought you said
Asbestos?
Oh, I thought you said I don't know. That's that Cleveland school district. I don't know.
Girl.
I didn't know what that word meant.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so water.
Okay, water.
Is that your water or your gas? I don't want to sound like I'm stupid.
Oh.
No.
We're going to Google it.
Oh, shoot. Let me see. All right, so these are good. These windows, they look like they were already there, but that's good that they are on this. But that's funny because, wait.
It's those windows there.
Oh, okay. I'm about to say. All right.
But what about the tank?
The hot water tank and the furnace?
Furnace.
This one. Most likely. I don't think it would be
It's not one.
over here. I don't even see.
Because
Because
the... That's probably why they were
I think it's over here. Father. No, this is the water, the new water pipe. So, where's your gas? I saw one out there. This is where it would go, right in here. You may want to get new ductwork. I don't know. This will have to be fully demoed so we could see, but it looks like, nope, it's good. That's good. So it probably just need to be cleaned.
Cleaned out.
Yeah, so that might be a good thing.
Okay. No mold or what's that black stuff you
So, nope, you don't got no black mold. I don't see any mold. We would waterproof this. It's not 100% necessary. But that is something I highly recommend doing, is to waterproof it so you don't, because this is going to happen.
I don't want that.
No.
What's this door?
That's a, yeah. Fireplace, really good bones. Yes, girl.
It's the worth it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I swear I'm not.
No, like, yeah. And we can just make it happen. We can make it happen. So we are at the end of our tour. She loved the house. She said she's going to bid on the house. So I'm just going to give her what it will cost for her to fix it up. Which, man, it's going to cost some ducats.
Some ducats.
Some ducats. But we could discuss that later. But overall, I believe it's a good house. And yeah, so thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.